Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh.
No. All right, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
We'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.